In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in ClipChamp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a clean voiceover, place it on your timeline, make quick edits, and export your project with great sounding audio. Start by opening ClipChamp in your browser. Once you're in, you can either create a new video to start from scratch or open an existing project if you're adding narration to something you've already been editing. Either option takes you into the main editor where you'll see your timeline, media library, and tools. Next, look to the left-hand panel and choose Record and Create, then select Audio. This opens the recording panel dedicated to voice capture. If a browser pop-up appears asking for permission to use your microphone, click Allow. Without this permission, ClipChamp can't hear your mic, so be sure to confirm access before moving forward. Now choose the microphone you want to use from the drop-down. If you have multiple options, pick the one that matches your external mic or headset. Take a moment to test your audio levels. Speak at your normal volume and watch the meter. You want strong signal in the green and yellow range without consistently hitting red, which can cause distortion. Try to record in a quiet space and maintain a consistent distance from the mic for the best results. When you're ready, click the red record button and begin speaking clearly. Keep your pacing steady and leave a tiny pause between thoughts to make trimming easier later. If you notice the levels creeping too high, lower your voice slightly or back away from the mic a bit. Keep an eye on the timer so you know where you are in your script. When you're finished, click Stop. Use the preview to listen back and confirm your audio is clear and at a comfortable volume. If everything sounds good, proceed to save it. Click Save and Edit, and ClipChamp will automatically place your recording on the timeline. You can drag the audio clip to line it up with visuals, titles, or screen recordings. From here, make basic edits. Trim off any silence at the start or end, adjust the volume to balance it with your other clips, and split the audio into sections to move pieces around or sync specific lines with on-screen moments. When your timing and levels feel right, it's time to export. Click Export. Choose the quality that matches your project. 1080p is a solid default for most videos, and download your finished file with the audio embedded. That's how you record audio in ClipChamp quickly and confidently.